Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have covered the important MCQs related to historical battles, which is very important for your upcoming exams. So watch the video till the end. Let's start the video with question number 1. The Battle of Ghagra was fought between whom? The right answer is option A, Babur and Afghans. The Battle of Ghagra was fought between Babur and Afghans in 1529 AD. So remember this. Babur won this battle and the Afghans leader was Mahmud Lodi. Mahmud Lodi was the younger brother of Ibrahim Lodi. So remember this. The Battle of Ghagra was the last battle of Babur's life. So remember this. He was the founder of Mughal Empire in India. So remember all these points. Let's see the next question. When was the Battle of Haldi Ghati fought? The right answer is option D, 1576. The Battle of Haldi Ghati took place in 1576 AD between Akbar and Maharana Pratap. Akbar won this battle and Akbar's commander was Mansi. And the horse name of Maharana Pratap was Chetak. So remember this. Let's see the next question. When did the Battle of Plassey take place? The right answer is option D, 1757 AD. The Battle of Plassey take place on 23rd of June 1757 AD between British East India Company and Sirajud-Dowla. Sirajud-Dowla was the Nawab of Bengal and he was defeated by British East India Company. British East India Company was led by Robert Clive. So remember all this. Next question. When the Battle of Hydaspes took place? The right answer is option D, 326 BC. The Battle of Hydaspes took place in 326 BC between Alexander and Porus. Alexander is also known as Sikandar and Alexander won this battle. So remember this. Next question. The Battle of Chausa was fought between whom? The right answer is option C, Sher Shah Suri and Humayun. The Battle of Chausa was fought between Sher Shah Suri and Humayun in 1539 AD. So remember this. And Sher Shah Suri won this battle. So remember this too. Let's see the next question. The Battle of Kannauj was fought between whom? The right answer is option B, Sher Shah Suri and Humayun. The Battle of Kannauj was fought between Sher Shah Suri and Humayun in 1540 AD. So remember this. And Sher Shah Suri again won this battle. The Battle of Chausa and the Battle of Kannauj fought between Sher Shah Suri and Humayun and both battle won by Sher Shah Suri. So remember this. Let's see the next question. When did the Battle of Talikota take place? The right answer is option A, 1565 AD. The Battle of Talikota take place in 1565 AD between Vijayanagar Empire and an alliance of the Deccan Sultanate. Deccan Sultanate won this battle and the king of Vijayanagar Empire, Aliya Ramray, was defeated and killed in the battle and the Vijayanagar Empire collapsed. So remember all this. Next question. When did the first battle of Tarain take place? The right answer is option B, 1191 AD. The first battle of Tarain take place in 1191 AD between Muhammad Ghori and Prithviraj Chauhan. And Prithviraj Chauhan won this battle. So remember this. Let's see the next question. When did the second battle of Tarain take place? The right answer is option D, 1192 AD. The second battle of Tarain take place in 1192 between Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori. And this time Muhammad Ghori won this battle. So remember this. The first battle of Tarain was won by Prithviraj Chauhan and the second battle of Tarain was won by Muhammad Ghori. So remember this. Let's see the next question. The Battle of Chandawar was fought between whom? The right answer is option B, Muhammad Ghori and Jaichand. The Battle of Chandawar was fought between Muhammad Ghori and Jaichand in 1194 AD. And Muhammad Ghori won this battle. So remember this. Let's see the next question. The first battle of Panipat was fought between whom? The right answer is option C, Babar and Ibrahim Lodi. The first battle of Panipat was the first battle of Babar in India, and it was fought between Babar and Ibrahim Lodi. So remember this. Let's see some important points. The first battle of Panipat took place on 21st April 1526 AD. Babar won this battle, and Babar was the first to use gunpowder and artillery in India. So remember this is very important. भारत में गन पाउडर और आर्टिलरी का जो फर्स्ट टाइम यूज़ हुआ था वो बाबर के द्वारा ही किया गया था, और ये किया गया था द फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ पानीपत में. सो रिमेंबर ऑल दिस. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हेन डिड द बैटल ऑफ खानवा टेक प्लेस? द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, 1527 AD, between Babur and Rana Sanga. The battle of Khanwa fought between Babur and Rana Sanga, and Babur won this battle. So remember this. Next question. When did the battle of Chanderi take place? The right answer is option C, 1528 AD. The battle of Chanderi took place in 1528 AD. So remember this. Let's see some important points. The battle of Chanderi was fought between Babur and Medini Rai, and Babur won this battle. So remember this. Next question. The second battle of Panipat was fought between whom? The right answer is option A, Akbar and Hemu. The second battle of Panipat was fought between Akbar and Hemu. So remember this. And the second battle of Panipat took place in 1556 AD. So remember this. And Akbar won this battle. So remember this too. Let's see the next question. The third battle of Panipat was fought between whom? The right answer is option B, Ahmad Shah Abdali and Maratha. The third battle of Panipat was fought between Ahmad Shah Abdali and Maratha in 1761 AD, and Ahmad Shah Abdali won this battle. Let's see the next question. When did the Battle of Buxar take place? The right answer is option C, 1764 AD. The Battle of Buxar took place in 1764 AD. So remember this. Let's see some important points. The Battle of Buxar was fought between British East India Company and United Force of Mir Qasim, Sujauddaulah and Shah Alam II. And British East India Company won this battle, which was commanded by Hector Munro. So remember this. Let's see the next question. When did the Battle of Kalinga take place? The right answer is option B, 261 BC. The Battle of Kalinga took place in 261 BC. So remember this. The Battle of Kalinga was fought between Ashoka and Anant Padmanabhan, and Ashoka won this battle. Ashoka was the king of Maurya Empire, and Anant Padmanabhan was the king of Kalinga kingdom. And after this battle, Ashoka adopted Buddhism. So remember this. So friends, that's all in today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you really found this video helpful, then press the like button and share it to all your friends. And if you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe to our channel for latest content. Thank you so much.